If you want to remove a passkey from your Google account, this step-by-step guide will show you how to delete Google passkeys easily on phone or computer. First, open Google on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and make sure you're using the correct account. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Once it opens, go to the Security section. On mobile, you'll find it by scrolling, and on desktop, it's usually on the left side. Now, scroll down to the section called How You Sign In to Google and tap on Passkeys and Security Keys. At this point, you may be asked to sign in again. If prompted, choose Try Another Way and enter your password. After that, you'll see a list of your saved passkeys. Simply find the passkey you want to remove, tap on the Remove icon next to it, and confirm your decision. And that's it. The passkey will be removed from your Google account. So, yeah, that's how you can delete passkeys from your Google account.